Hi Fabric Addicts, I'm Andrea with My Fabric Addiction. Today we're going to be talking about our Cabana quilt. Let's get started. All right, so here's our Cabana quilt. It's super fun. It has two blocks. They are just opposite of each other, so super simple. It looks harder than it is. So I've already made the white block. We're going to make the dark block. Super simple. I've already made these ones, so I just need to make one more. So you'll get a whole bunch of different colors, so you'll have lots of options of color ways. And it's Batiks. So Batiks have two different sides. It doesn't really matter which side you use. One's a little bit darker than the other, like most fabrics, but I have messed with them. So like this one, I liked this side better, so that's the side I chose. So you can do what you would like with your quilt. So for the dark quilt, we are going to make 4 of these. So we're just going to sew all 3 of these together and then we'll press them. All right, so let's sew these 3 pieces together. I don't know if there's one side I like better than the other. Let's do this side. Okay, now if I was making this with all my blocks, I would have everything sitting here and I would chain piece. I'd pull them right off the machine without cutting. Just pull from behind and sew them all together at once. Just finger press, and we'll get the other side sewn up. Okay, we'll finger press, we can press that out, and then we will lay out our block. Set our seam, we'll roll those back. Now we're gonna lay this out. So we have going this way. So the 2 side pieces, we just want to make sure that they are going horizontal. These other pieces vertical. And then we'll just start placing in our dark pieces that we like. You'll have a lot of options. I don't know if I like that piece. That's what's fun. You get to choose the way your quilt is gonna look like. Okay, I do like that. Okay, so now we're just gonna sew our rows together. Just like that. So I'll sew this row all together and then I'll sew the other ones. Rearranged a little bit, but so we'll just start sewing our rows together. Okay, so I'm gonna just grab that from behind. And I know this is the top of my quilt, so I'm gonna just grab that one Helps me to keep my pieces in order also, just pulling from the back and just going down. I don't get mixed up as easily. Just one. Now let's take them over and we will press them. Okay. We good? All right. Okay, so we're gonna press. So I like to actually take this one and I'll flip it up that way. I know these two need to go this direction. And this one needs to go this direction. Okay, down. Go. Now all my seams will be nesting appropriately. So I'll just take this side, put in this direction, and see, they just nest together. And we will sew these rows together. Let's go to the machine. Okay, stick a pin right here. Just go a little sideways into the next one. Or you can put 2 pins, one on either side. Just want to make sure that your edges are still lining up properly. One fabric isn't going over too far. Do a quick finger press. And this side right here. Same thing. Line everything up. Get a hold of my tails. Now we'll press it. A good press. It looks like I had one flip over. You can press it really good or you can fix it. One thing about Batiks is they do press nice. Okay, so those are our 2 blocks. So you just make all the ones you need to make. And so these ones are really close together. So I would flip it over however many times you need to get the color combination you want. And you would just sew everything together and make sure your seams line up. It's a beautiful quilt. So that is our Cabana quilt. We will have it in 2 colorways. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.